media offline, 3 different scenarios, and how to fix them. Has this ever happened to you? You open up your project, you get this window, missing media for these clips? I'll show you what to do. Keep everything as the default settings, just hit locate. If you know where the footage might be, great, because then you can sort of point it in the right direction. Make sure display only exact name matches is clicked, then hit search, and away it goes. Once it finds it, hit OK. And there you are, relinked. This is the second scenario. You open up the project, it didn't show you the window missing media for these clips, but all the footage is offline. Highlight all the footage by lasso dragging, right-click, then hit Link Media. The Link Media for these clips window will open. Click Locate. Again, if you sort of know where the footage is, it's easier because then you can point it in the right direction. If not, that's okay. Make sure display only exact name matches is clicked. Then hit search. It'll search for everything. Once it finds it, click OK. And there you go, everything's relinked. This is the third scenario. You only have one clip with media offline. Right-click, click Link Media. It'll bring up that same window, Link Media for these clips. Keep all the defaults, hit Locate. If you think you know where the footage is, you can point it in the right direction. Make sure display only exact name matches is clicked. Click Search, and once it's found it, hit OK. And there you go, you're all relinked. Happy cutting!